Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how awesome it is to rack up those reward points on your everyday purchases. But if you're scratching your head about how to actually use them, don't worry, I've got you covered in this quick guide. Today, we're diving into how to use Amazon Prime Visa points so you can start redeeming those rewards like a pro. First off, let's quickly recap what these points are. Amazon Prime Visa points are earned through the Chase-issued Amazon Prime Visa card. For every dollar you spend on Amazon.com or Whole Foods Market, you get 2% back in points. On other purchases, it's 1%, and if you're a Prime member, you might even get bonus points during special events. Pretty sweet, right? Now, onto the fun part. Redeeming your points. Step 1 is to log into your Chase account online or through the Chase mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards section. It's usually easy to find with a big Rewards tab. Here, you'll see your total points balance. Make sure to check it regularly so you don't miss out. Next, to redeem, select the option for Amazon purchases. You can use your points for a statement credit that applies directly to your Amazon shopping cart. For example, if you have 500 points, that's typically worth $5 off your next order. Just choose the redemption amount, confirm, and voila, your points turn into real savings. Pro tip. Points don't expire as long as your account is active, so there's no rush, but using them on big sales can maximize value. One more thing. If you want to use points for other things, like travel or cashback, check if your card offers those options through Chase Ultimate Rewards. It's not always straightforward, so read the fine print. Wrapping this up, using your Amazon Prime Visa points is a simple way to save money and enhance your shopping experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.